Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Technical Chemistry. In this video lecture, we are going to learn about some effective strategies for reducing air pollution in cities. If we try to implement these strategies, our environment will become a much better place to live. We are going to learn about introduction of air pollution, like what exactly is air pollution, how it is harmful to us. Then we'll learn about sources of urban air pollution. The term urban means related to city life. What are the sources of urban air pollution? Then promoting public transportation, because one of the most common reasons of air pollution is smoke coming from our automobiles and industries. Next, implementing clean energy solutions. What are clean energy solutions? Like using wind energy or thermal energy to create electricity, or using solar energy. These are clean energy solutions. Then comes encouraging active transportation and increasing green space. What does increasing green space means? It means planting and growing more trees. Then we'll draw the conclusion to our lecture. What is air pollution? Any undesirable or unwanted change in air that is harmful to all living organisms, not just humans, all living organisms, is called air pollution, and it is a major environmental problem these days. For example, smoke. We all know what harmful effects smoke has on all of us. Major sources of urban air pollution include construction activities. Machinery used on construction sites generate noise, dust, and many poisonous gases that are harmful to our health, like oxides of nitrogen and carbon monoxide, and all these gases are injurious to our health. Oxides of nitrogen lead to acid rain, while carbon monoxide in itself is a very toxic gas. If we are exposed to carbon monoxide for a long period, it even causes death. Then smoke coming from vehicle emissions and industrial activities are a major contribution to air pollution. Then come agricultural activities. A large number of very toxic and poisonous chemicals are sprayed on crops in agriculture, which have very bad effects on our health. And lastly, residential heating and cooking. Did you know when you cook, you produce nitrous oxide and particles, which are the same pollutants you find outside but just from a different source. Now we will discuss some strategies to keep air pollution in check. Most important of all is promoting public transportation. We all know smoke coming from automobiles is one of the major contribution to air pollution. So we should promote using public transportation instead of private vehicles, because that will reduce the number of vehicles on the road, thereby lowering emissions. Our government has recently started initiation of public transportation like metro or speedo, which are currently efficiently working in different cities of our country, and I consider that a very good step to reduce air pollution, and that is also very affordable. Next strategy is to implement clean energy solutions. Instead of using fossil fuels like burning of coal and petroleum for producing power, which release a great deal of air pollutants in our environment, we should switch to environment-friendly energy sources like wind, solar, hydroelectric power, because first of all, these sources are renewable, and second, they do not add any kind of air pollutants to our environment. That's why they are an unbeatable energy source. Then comes encouraging active transportation. It means promoting walking, cycling, and other forms of transportation that reduces the number of vehicles on road. But the most important step in promoting this kind of transportation is to make roads safe for pedestrians and cyclists. And the last but very important step is to increase green space. It means expanding green areas like parks, green roofs, which help improve air quality. Trees absorb pollutants and provide fresh oxygen that creates a healthy environment for all of us. By working on all these strategies, we can make our environment a better, healthier, and cleaner place to live. Let's try to keep our surroundings clean and make our environment a better place to live. If you like my lecture, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.